Want to make your audio a perfect, standard volume without any guesswork? Today, I'm going to show you how to use the powerful Normalize tool in Adobe Audition to get perfect audio levels every single time. Let's get started. First, open the audio file you want to fix in Audition. You can see here, some parts of my voice are loud and some are quiet. Instead of just guessing with a volume knob, we will use a much smarter tool. First, select your entire audio clip by pressing Ctrl+A. Now, go to the top menu and click on Effects. Go down to Amplitude and Compression and choose Normalize Process. A new window will pop up, and it looks simple because it is. This Normalize to Box is where you set your target volume. A great professional standard for voiceovers is -3 dB. So, make sure the box says -3 and that the Normalize all channels equally box is checked. Now, just click Apply. Watch the waveform. Instantly, Audition finds the loudest part of your audio and raises everything up so that peak hits exactly -3 dB. It's the perfect way to get consistent, professional volume without any distortion. And that's how you use Normalize to get perfect audio levels in just a few clicks. If you found this essential tip helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more pro audio secrets.